ICSE Maths Class 9 Exercise 12 Question number 1 को देखिए, which state that in figure 12.30 ABC is a triangle in which D is the midpoint of BC and E is the midpoint of AD. Prove that the area of BED is equal to 1 by 4 of the area of ABC. So let us do it. देखिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, गिवन a triangle ABC, AD is the median. ये जो AD है, this is median. It means that D divides the BC in two equal parts, that is BD is equal to CD. BE is the median for ABD. अब ABD ट्राइंगल के लिए क्या है? BE जो है एक मीडियन है. We have to prove that the area of BED is equal to 1 by 4 of the area of triangle ABC. E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of ED. Therefore, AE is equal to ED. And D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, BD is equal to CD. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD have equal area. ABD or ACD, they have equal area because they have equal bases. They have equal bases and common vertex. Once they have common vertex, it means the altitude to the base will be equal because the bases of these two triangles are a collinear. Means BDC are the collinear point. Therefore, the area of ABD and area of ACD will be equal. Means the AD divides the triangle ABC in two equal parts. They have the equal base and common vertex, hence the area of ABD will be equal to 1 by 2 of ABC. Similarly, triangle BED and BEA have equal area as they have equal base and common vertex. Common vertex क्या है गया? B है. B is a common vertex for the triangle ABE and DBE. They have the common vertex, you can say, and their bases are equal because AE is equal to DE. So the BED, area of BED will be 1 by 2 of the area of ABD. ABD का half होगा. Therefore 1 by 2. Inside the bracket I have written 1 by 2 of the triangle ABC. That will be just multiply it 1 by 4 of ABC. And it was to be proved. QED. Let us do the question number 2. Prove that a line joining the midpoint of the parallel sides of the trapezium divides it into two equal parts. I read it again. Prove that a line joining the midpoint of the parallel sides of the trapezium divides it into two equal parts. अब देखिए यहाँ पर trapezium क्या है? ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to DC. And E and F are the midpoints of the parallel sides. Means E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of CD. We have to prove that the line joining the midpoint means EF divides the given trapezium in two equal parts. You see, given ABCD is the trapezium and E and F are the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. to prove the area of AEFD is equal to area of BEFC. The area of AEFD will be equal to the area of BEFC. Proof देखिए. Once we have divided, again the DF will be parallel to AE, FC will be parallel to EB. So the two sides are already parallel, means one pair are parallel. Non-parallel side, it means that these two are the trapezium again. So area of trapezium AEFD is equal to 1 by 2 of AB plus CD divided by 2. AB means AB का हाफ कर दोगे तो क्या मिलेगा AE, और CD का हाफ करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमारे को DF. So in place of AEFD, I have written here the sum of the parallel sides, sum of the half of the sum of the parallel side. So half of the sum of the parallel side का मतलब हमने यहाँ पर लिया. Parallel side क्या हो गया यहाँ पर AB plus CD divided by 2 will be the sum of parallel sides of the small trapezium into height. Height will remain same for all the three trapezium. Area of trapezium BEFC will be equal to 1 by 2. Here again I have written AB plus CD divided by 2 into height. As we know that AE is equal to EB is equal to A by 2, AB by 2, and DF is equal to CF is equal to CD by 2. The same information has been used above. Now the EF divides the trapezium ABCD into equal parts because just we compare it. These are the same. You see the right hand side of the area of AEFD and area of trapezium BEFC. Both are the same. That is why they are equal. Now come to the question number 3. Prove that question number 3, prove that the diagonals of any parallelogram divides it into 4 equal triangles. Given a parallelogram ABCD and the diagonals ACBD intersect each other at O. AB and AC and BD, they intersect each other at O, such that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Means the diagonal has been bisected each other. Now we have to prove that the area of AOB is equal to the area of BOC is equal to the area of COD is equal to the area of DOA. All the 4 triangles have the same area. The proof is here, you see the triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCD. OAB, ये triangle, और OCD, ऊपर वाला triangle और नीचे वाला triangle, just because you see here you can apply these 2 criteria of the congruency, side, or you can just apply side, angle, side. So just applying these criteria we can prove that triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCD. Therefore side, or side, angle, side. These 2 criteria are applicable in order to prove the congruency. Now the triangle OAD and OCB. OAD is congruent to triangle OCB. Side, or side, angle, side criteria. Therefore the area of OAD Now you see the area of OAD and area of triangle OAB. These two triangles OAD and OAB have got the same common vertex and their bases are equal. OD is equal to OB. So their bases are equal and these bases are on the same straight line, or you can say the BOD is a collinear point. BOD is collinear point. If you drop a perpendicular to this from the common vertex, you will get the equal height. So the area of these two triangles will be equal, or you can say will be in the proportion of the bases, and bases are equal. That is why the area of these two will be equal. So here I have written it. The area of OAD is equal to the area of OAB because the common vertex A and OD is equal to OB. Hence all the triangles are equal in area. QED. Now come to the question number 4. Answer true or false. The area of the triangle is equal to the area of rectangle standing on the same base and between the same parallel lines. The area of the triangle is equal to the area of the rectangle standing on the same base and between the same parallel lines. So it is false because the area of the triangle is half of the area of the rectangle on the same base and between the same parallel lines. So that is why I have written it. The answer is false. That's all.